Hi, Tim Eckert here, and in this video, we're going to look at switch statements in C++. So what I'm going to do is write a simple program that will allow the user to enter the number of years they've been in high school, and then it will tell them whether they're a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior. And of course, the program assumes that they pass all their courses, and are basically taking a normal trajectory. So I'm going to include let me get rid of this stuff. And actually, sorry, let me go to Dear Ed here, and I'm going into here, and I'm going to open a file called switch.c++. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to include the input-output stream, and I'm going to include the string because we're going to use the string, and I'm using the namespace std. All right, let's have a function prototype. I'm going to have a function that returns a string, and it's going to be called high school status. And we're going to take in an integer, years in school. Okay. And let's do the function instructions. Okay. And I'm going to have a string. It's going to be called high school status. And again, it's taking in the integer, the years in school. Okay, and all right, so in that, all right, so we're going to have a string, we'll call that status, and then let's move to our switch statement. So we're going to take in the years in school. Okay, and so we're going to have the first case is going to be 1, and so we're going to say status equals you are a freshman. Okay, and then we'll break out of that, and then we'll have case 2, and the status is going to be you are a sophomore. Break out of that, and then case 3, status equals you are a junior. We'll break out of that, and then case 4, we're going to have a status, which is you are a senior. And we'll break out of that. And then we also want to have a default case in case they enter another number. And we're going to say the status equals you entered an incorrect number of years. Or let's say an invalid number of years. Okay, and we'll break out of that and then close out the switch statement. And then we're going to return the status for this function. And then we'll close out the function. And now we're going to create the main function. So I'm going to say int main. And we'll return 0 from that. And then within the main, we're going to have an int called years in school. And then we'll also have a string, and we'll call that grade level status. Okay. And all right, so we want to get from the user how many years have you spent in high school? Okay, and that's going to be the years in school. Okay, and then we're going to say the grade level status equals the function up here, which is years in school. Oh, no, not years in school, high school status. Which takes in years in school. Okay, and now we want to print that out, so we're going to say, let me move this down so you can see it a little bit easier. See out grade level status. And then we'll end this line. And we'll just neaten that up a little bit. Okay, and let's compile this. So we're going to compile switch.c++. Okay, and that compiled all nice and good. And let's open up the terminal. And I just make this a little bit larger for you. So I'm going to cd into C++ YouTube, and then let's run it. Okay, how many years have you been in high school? So let's enter an incorrect amount. So we'll say 5. Okay, so it says you entered an invalid number of years. How many years are you in high school? 1. You're a freshman. How many years are you in high school? 2. You're a sophomore. How many years in high school? 3. You're a junior. How many years spent in high school? 4. You're a senior. Okay, so that's how you use switch statements in C++. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.